This is the kind of projector that's clearly built with a purpose, and that purpose is performance in demanding environments. Right away, it feels less like a consumer gadget and more like professional equipment designed to deliver consistent results every single time it's used. Brightness is the first thing that stands out, and it's hard to ignore. With 6,400 lumens, this projector is made for spaces where lighting control isn't always possible. Whether it's a meeting room with lights on, a classroom during the day, or a large presentation hall, the image remains visible, punchy, and clear. There's no need to constantly adjust the room just to make the screen. Watchable, which makes a huge difference in real-world use. The resolution here is WUXGA, offering 1920 by 1200 pixels. That slight increase in vertical resolution compared to standard 1080p actually adds noticeable value. It allows more content to fit on screen, which is especially useful for documents, slides, and detailed visuals. Everything looks sharper, and text readability is excellent even from a distance. One of the biggest advantages comes from the laser light source. Instead of using a traditional lamp that degrades over time, this system delivers long-lasting brightness with minimal maintenance. It maintains consistent output for thousands of hours, reducing the need for replacements and lowering long-term costs. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of experience, which is exactly what most professional users want. Color performance is tuned for accuracy rather than exaggeration. The visuals look balanced and natural, which is important for presentations and media content alike. Whites appear clean, colors remain true, and there's enough depth in darker scenes to keep everything looking well-defined. It doesn't try to oversaturate, and that works in its favor. Setup flexibility is another strong area. With features like lens shift and keystone correction, it becomes much easier to position the projector without compromising image quality. Whether it's mounted on the ceiling or placed on a table, adjustments are simple and effective. This makes installation less stressful and more adaptable to different environments. Despite its powerful output, noise levels are kept under control. The cooling system works efficiently without becoming distracting, which is especially important in quiet environments like offices or classrooms. It runs smoothly in the background without pulling attention away from the content. Connectivity is straightforward and reliable. Multiple input options ensure compatibility with laptops, media players, and other devices. It's designed to integrate easily into existing setups without requiring complicated configurations. What really defines this projector is consistency. It delivers strong brightness, stable performance, and reliable operation without relying on unnecessary features. It focuses on doing its job well, and it does that every time it's powered on. If this projector fits what you're looking for, the purchase link is available in the description where you can check pricing and full details.